So this has so many pieces, so it will take some time. It's very easy. The thing is, all these outside notches you have to glue them. That's it. So it's a long piece, you can see, and all notches goes inside like that. So it will be a longer organizer. So hi everyone, Archana here. So we are building this long crayon box. That's what they called it. It's a crayon organizer, but it's not necessary. You have to use it for crayon. So what I did, I just got these two large pieces and they have a lock here. So this is the lock. So what we need to do, we just glue them together, and we have two of them like this. So just use the glue on this part inside. Oops, sorry. And then you just need to lock these two like that and keep it aside for drying. And then we have these types of pieces, and then we have lots of smaller ones which goes inside in between. So we have these ones. So put some glue on this part like that, and then stick this like that, and then it's easy to glue on the outer part, but it's okay, I can do this like this and stick it like that. So these are total 12 houses we are building. Super cute 12 houses. So while it's drying, I'll show you what we are building. The front part you are getting, with this you will get all these pieces, very small pieces, but they are very easy to assemble, believe me. So these are total 12 houses, the front decorative cosmetic touches, you can say that. So we will do this one later on. Before that, let's finish this part. It takes some time to dry, so let me finish this one and I'll be back. Only this part is left. We are just going to build it like that. So all these pieces goes like this. I'm just showing you. I will glue it off camera and then I'll be back and we will stick the decorative pieces. So basically they goes like that. All these 12 pieces, like 12 houses we are building, all these walls we have to create. So I'll be back. So this is this long crayon organizer is done. The basic assembly is done. How long is this one? So you will have a really good size 12 boxes, compartments here. So I think at least 12 crayons will fit in there, in each color. So 12 colors you can insert in there. So let's see what we have for our cosmetic package part. So let's open it. I can't wait to open this one. So let's open this properly. I don't like ripping off all the plastic packages, so I always find that end. So you have three exact similar, or four. So we have total 12 houses to decorate. So we have total 4 pieces. So each piece has 3 houses. So I will just get one piece for now and we will see how it will look, and then we will do the rest of them. So we have these large. They are very easy, I know that they all are very easy to stick in, and this one is chipboard and this one is wooden, so make sure they are little delicate, so just take it out carefully. And if you want to cover with other color, feel free to color it. can see they will go like this. You can see all these small windows and all the detailing of shutters. It's so amazing. Then this will go like that, and then we have roof and then small cute windows. You can see all the details. Super cute, right? So I will take them out carefully and I will stick properly on the box and I'll be back. But you have to just stick these pieces on top of these houses. Okay, so I'll be back. So here we go. We are done with our 12 house organizer. Isn't it cute? It's beautiful. Finally, I painted this box with white gesso. You can see on top also and right here. And then I stick all the houses like that. Look at these 3D windows, shutters, roof. Beautiful. So I hope you like it and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.